Hi guys, Amy with another Tip Tuesday for you. Today we're going to talk about winterizing our golf carts. We've already covered a little bit. We're going to go over it one more time. This is a club car powered by flooded lead acid batteries. About 2 weeks before you're ready to store that golf cart, we ask you to charge it in full and then check your water levels underneath. Remember, our club car Onwards have the single point watering system, so you can check those water levels, make sure they're accurate. Then go drive your cart. Drive it till it's almost dead. This helps ensure those battery levels with the water and the acid get to a good mix. Once that's happened, charge your cart in full one more time and park it. Turn the cart off, and then underneath your seat, you are going to flip it into tow mode using that run tow switch underneath here. Also remember, unhook your battery cables, the main negative and the main positive. This will just help preserve those batteries in storage. Also, while it's in storage, we advise that you do not engage the parking brake. Chock your tires. This helps prevent your cables from getting stretched out over winter storage. Come springtime, charge the battery back up when you're full and you're good to go. Remember, follow us every Tuesday for a Tip Tuesday.